Hi, Bonnie Low Kramen here, coming to you from Dallas, Texas, where Vickie Evans and I have just finished our 2-day Be the Ultimate Assistant workshop. We had 31 students from 9 states. And you know what? We have Maui coming up, BTUA Maui, and we still have a few seats left for the class. We're going to be at the amazing Four Seasons Hotel on Maui in Wailea, and we hope you can join us. Lots of students are coming over from California and from the west coast of the United States and from Asia. It's so crazy. We're so excited to be there. So I hope you'll go to BeTheUltimateAssistant.com and check out the workshops page. We've already announced our 2020 cities, so you can check those out as well. But just want you to know that there's still a few seats left for BTUA Maui. Boston sold out, unfortunately, but we've got a waiting list going. All right, I hope to see you soon, and Vickie and I really look forward to working with you very, very soon. Take care.